3 men stood against the king's command and walked through fire without a single burn. In the magnificent city of Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar ruled with unquestioned authority.
I am the greatest king in all the land. My power knows no bounds.
The king's pride swelled, and he commissioned a colossal statue of gold.
Let this golden image stand as a testament to my glory.
Hear ye, hear ye. When the music sounds, all must bow before the king's golden image.
But among the king's officials were 3 young Hebrew men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
We serve a higher king, the God of Israel.
He alone deserves our worship.
We cannot bow to this idol, no matter the cost.
As the music began to play, the crowd fell to their knees. But 3 figures remained standing.
Your Majesty, the Hebrew men refused to bow.
What? Bring them to me at once. Is it true that you refuse to serve my gods or worship the image I've set up?
O king, we do not need to defend ourselves before you in this matter.
If we are thrown into the blazing furnace, the God we serve is able to deliver us from it.
And he will deliver us from your majesty's hand. But even if he does not, we want you to know, O king, that we will not serve your gods.
The king's fury knew no bounds. His face twisted with anger, a storm of rage building within him.
Heat the furnace 7 times hotter than usual.
The flames roared, their heat so intense that even the mighty guards who approached perished instantly.
Oh, throw them in. Let their God save them now.
Bound and helpless, the 3 men were cast into the inferno. The crowd held its breath, expecting to hear screams of agony.
Look, I see 4 men walking around in the fire, unbound and unharmed.
Indeed. Amidst the flames walked Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And with them, a 4th figure, shining like the sun. His presence a shield against the inferno's fury.
And the 4th, he looks like a son of the gods. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come out, come here.
The 3 men emerged, not a hair singed, not even the smell of smoke on their clothes.
Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who has sent his angel and rescued his servants.
The king's heart, once hardened by pride, now softened in wonder.
They trusted in him and defied the king's command and were willing to give up their lives rather than serve or worship any god except their own God. No other god can save in this way. From this day forward, anyone who speaks against the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego will face severe punishment.
And so, the faith of 3 brave men changed the heart of a king and revealed the power of the one true God. Their courage reminds us that with faith, we too can stand firm in the face of adversity. For when we walk with God, even the fiercest flames cannot harm us. If you enjoyed this video, share it to bless someone. Subscribe to our channel, like and hit the notification button. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.